Good afternoon, it's Marcus Francis back with the weather forecast. So let's take a look at the weather forecast specifically for East Tennessee. It's currently 71 degrees and cloudy with light rain showers moving into the area. The wind is blowing out of the west at 10 miles per hour. The dew point is 54 degrees and it feels like 71 degrees, similar to actual air temperature. The sun rose this morning at 7:01 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:37 p.m. Then let's go throughout the day. We expect high around 70, overcast with rain showers at times. Winds will be light and variable, and we hold on to a 70% chance of precipitation. Wind coverage is 66%. Winds will be blowing out of the south-southwest at 5 miles per hour. UV index is a moderate at 3. Then let's go throughout the night. Tonight we're expected to be periods of rain, low 153. Winds light and variable as we hold on to 100% chances of precipitation overnight into Wednesday morning. Rainfall possible with over an inch expected, and locally heavy rainfall is possible as well. Coverage of rainfall 95%. Wind will be blowing out of the northeast at 4 miles per hour. And the moon phase is a waning crescent. And instead of looking at your satellite weather composite, we are dry in East Tennessee for now, but we're currently cloudy and overcast, with rain fall off to our west as these showers and heavier, the light to moderate rainfall is off to our west and moving due east. This rainfall will pick up in coverage as we go throughout later into the afternoon and evening hours. We could see upwards up to 2 or 3 inches of rainfall expected. And this could cause localized flooding, and flooding will be a concern as we have 2 systems moving through the area. System number 1 associated with a cold-front low pressure system, and system number 2 associated with another cold-front and low pressure system, which will spark off scattered rain showers and widespread rain showers as well. We'll now take a look at your 8-day forecast. For your Tuesday, as with the rest of the day, it's expected to be a 60% chance of spotty to scattered rain showers under overcast and cloudy conditions, high 70, low 55. And those rain showers will linger Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as well. Then it goes to your Wednesday, we'd expect an 80% chance of rainfall, 2 showers under cloudy and overcast conditions, high 61, low 50. Then for your Thursday, we'd expect it to be a 10% chance of precipitation, otherwise sunny, partly cloudy, highs in the mid-60s, 66 degrees, low of 151. Then for your Friday, it's expected to be a PM 40% chance of spotty to scattered rain showers, otherwise cloudy conditions, high 64, low 54. Then for your Saturday, expect a 40% chance of rainfall, as rainfall will be on and off throughout the day under cloudy and overcast conditions, high 64, low 40. Also, is going to the weekend, we will be setting the clocks forward 1 hour. So remember so Saturday night going into Sunday morning, remember to set your clocks forward 1 hour as a spring forward on 1 hour, as we lose that hour of sleep and gain that hour of sunshine and gain that hour of daylight as well. That's just a reminder for you. Then for your Sunday, we're set to an AM 20% chance of an isolated wind shower. Otherwise, sunny, partly cloudy. High 54, low 34. Then for your Monday, it's expected to be sunny and clear with intervals of clouds. High 58, low 32. And then for your Tuesday of next week, it's expected to be sunny and clear with abundant sunshine with a high of around 63 degrees. And that's it for your latest weather forecast. I'm your future meteorologist, Marcus Francis. So thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your evening, rest of your afternoon. God bless you and keep you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you see this video. And I'll see you in the next video.